What? Simple shoe? No, it's work of art in the making. Let's go. Want to create a scene like this in just a few minutes with two magic sticks or these? And the best part, I've included this 3D shoe model for you to download along with the add-ons. Everything is ready to go. For these projects, we will using two magic tools, Quick Studio and Light Wrangler. These add-ons will transform how to handle lighting in Blender. And guess what? I've included 3D show model along with the add-ons in a single zip file. You can download it from my Telegram channel, or if you want to support the creators, purchase the add-ons from their official website. Links are in the video description. So to start, you must open Telegram desktop and you must download this file in my Telegram channel. When you download this file, you must drag file in desktop. So after drag file in desktop, you must extract this file in, for example, desktop. Extract to desktop and okay. Password is 8569. So when extracted this file, you now open Blender. So let's add 3D show model first. You select file, select import, select FBX and open desktop, open this file and select Nike Dunk Superman FBX, import FBX. Now for download add-ons, open edit, preference, add-ons, install it, desktop, open this file, open this file, Quick Studio add-on, select install on, tick, and you must open option, open, select these, open desktop, open this file, open Quick Studio and select Quick Studio assets, accept, install asset, check installation. Yes. So and again open desktop, open this file, open Light Wrangler, open this, select this. Yes, Light Wrangler. This gives you complete control over all the light in your scene, no matter how complex it gets. Quick Studio. This is like having a professional studio setup with just a few clicks. Let's start with Quick Studio. You now just press N and select Quick Studio. Open background. With just one click, you can add a professional studio setup. For example, this. Or this. This. Look how easily we can tweak the lights. For example, blah blah blah, and for example pink. Of course, you must using cycle render engine. Here's where you can change the background for classic white to more dramatic style. Everything is customizable. Now let's explore Light Wrangler. This add-on gives you total control over all the lights in your scene. For complex projects, this add-on is a game changer. For example, you can add light select object and data. You must select GOBO. Okay. And here's the final result. With just 2 powerful tools and few minutes of work, we create a professional advisating scene for each shoe. Now it's your turn. The 3D shoe model and the add-ons are available on my Telegram channel. If you want to support the creators, grab the add-ons from their official website. Links are in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop your targets in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Take care.